Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Range Rover Evoque battery. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always wear eye protection and gloves to protect yourself from corrosive battery acid. Make sure the ignition is completely off and the key is removed from the vehicle. It's also wise to wait at least 2 minutes for all electronic systems to power down fully. Remember, never tilt the battery more than 45 degrees to prevent any electrolyte leakage. The Range Rover Evoque's main 12-volt battery is usually located in the engine bay. To access it, first, open the bonnet. You'll need to remove the plastic cover that conceals the battery. This typically involves twisting and removing 4 plastic screws. Next, detach the plastic air intake by removing its hold-down screws. Finally, use a 13mm socket or wrench to unbolt and remove the body brace that sits over the battery. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the battery terminals safely. It is crucial to always disconnect the negative terminal first. Use a 10mm socket or wrench to loosen and remove the negative cable. Once disconnected, secure this cable away from the battery to prevent any accidental contact. Following this, disconnect the positive terminal, again using a 10mm wrench, and carefully move that cable aside, ensuring it doesn't touch any metal components. With the terminals disconnected, you can now proceed to remove the battery. Locate and remove the battery hold-down clamp, which is typically secured by a 10mm bolt. The battery is quite heavy, so lift it carefully and straight out of its tray to avoid injury. If your Evoque has a battery vent tube, remember to unplug it before lifting. When installing the new battery, reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and reassemble all components in reverse order.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.